Hello there, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Padmaris TV, and it's always good to have you again. To my subscribers, thank you so much for an amazing YouTube journey so far. And if you're new here, please do well to use the subscribe button to always get new videos as they come. You can also click on the notification icon or to also get new videos as they come. And lastly, to be a part of this great family. So going straight off to what we have today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make palm oil right at home from scratch. Okay, so if you have the whole bunch like I do here, I'm going to be doing this manually with the cutlass, and as you can see, this could take up to 20 minutes and above. But there are various ways you can do this, such as steaming. Basically, for the sake of this video, I will not be steaming, I will just be using the cutlass. So after detaching has been achieved, the next thing is to pack them gently into a bag, a sack bag preferably, and allow them to heat up. Say maybe 2 or 1 day should be enough. Now why do this? Now the main essence of doing this is to separate basically the nuts from its stalk. Now after this is done for about 1 to 2 days, this is achieved. It is also tied up to achieve it is also tied up to achieve even heat distribution in the system. Next, after some days, it is brought out, and look what we have. After a few days, what we see is that some of the nuts have already been detached by themselves, and some will just take little or no effort to be put out of its stock, like you see above in the video. Next, carefully select them into a trail like I've done in the video, and a typical bunch should give you a rubber full of this. Next, we're going to cook this until it is soft enough to peel with the bare hands. Now, like you know, they say that every part of the palm tree is useful, and also is the stalk. Now, the stalk can be dried and used as a very good fire starter. Now, after this is boiled, it should look very succulent as what you can see on the screen. Now, after this has been achieved, it is allowed to cool a little for the safety of our hands, because we'll be using our hands to squeeze this to extract its content. Next, it is transferred into a sieve where it is squeezed and water is used to send the contents down a container just below the sieve. As you can see, it has been cooked enough and very easy to peel. So just transfer them gradually into the sieve until you have enough, and begin squeezing to get out its contents. Preferably, you could add water to get the contents straight down to the container below, as you see in the video. Next, your extract should look something like this. Remember that our extract contains a lot of water that we've used just to aid the extraction process from the palm fruit itself. Now, what we're going to do here is transfer to the pot, and we're going to be cooking until possibly all the water is evaporated from the content, and we'll be left with the palm oil at the top of the extract that will be left below. It is very advisable to cook with an electric cooker because this is going to take a lot of time, because all the water will have to be evaporated, leaving the oil above and the extract below. If you do this with a gas cooker, it will consume a lot of gas, I trust. That should be our first trick, and we still have a long way to go. A very long way to go, as it's just starting to boil. Finally, after some hours, here's what we have. Almost all the water have been evaporated, and what you see is pure palm oil. Next, we'll pour out the oil into a container. As you can see, it is 100% pure palm oil without no adulteration. Let's take a close look. There you go. So after this, you can transfer into a bottled container using a funnel, like you see in the video I'm trying to make. And after this, you can transfer into a bottled container using a funnel like I'm trying to make here. Once that's achieved, here you go, your palm oil in its container, looking very clear, attractive, and 100% pure. There's more on Pilot Manners TV when you subscribe and use the notification icon to all to get more videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.